Hi friends, this is Pratik Chatterjee. Hi, I'm taking you live at the toll plaza of the famous one and only Delhi Gurgaon toll. From as far as the eye can see, you will only see vehicles moving in towards, this is towards the Gurgaon side, and all the vehicles that you see, it's the time right now is 5 p.m. The traffic's just started to build up, and as and when we kind of go further into the office time, 6 p.m., this is only going to increase and increase. So this is just the initial traffic. Yeah, you can see all towards the end, that's the traffic toll. And these are all the people, those who are living in Delhi and those who work in Gurgaon. So I am a regular traveler here. Every day I cross the toll because I stay in Vaishali, which is towards the east of Delhi, and I work in Gurgaon. So this route which I'm taking right now is the one which takes me from Gurgaon. I have to cross the toll and then on my way to Delhi. But I would like to say to the people who have been saying that the toll takes a huge amount of time and there are huge bottlenecks, I would like to say a word of caution here, that not all that's being reported is bad. Just look at the traffic, how fast it's just leaving the toll immediately, because they've been successful in giving the radio the tags, they call it the tokens, the cash tags and the coupons, which are installed on the machines, and they automatically allow seamless movement. So the trick here is to actually get into one of the lanes which have the tags, the electric tag marked on it, which is written in yellow, and it's called, I will just zoom in, it's called the yellow, it's marked in blue, it's called the toll plaza. And then you can sail through, and yes, the rush will be there, but it's more systematic and more organized. So here's happy commuting from Delhi to Gurgaon every day, and Gurgaon to Delhi. Thank you friends, signing off.